This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to transfer money from USA to Philippines using Wise. You will learn cost-effective solutions, essential features of Wise, and step-by-step instructions to ensure a smooth transaction process. Whether you're sending money for personal reasons or business needs, this guide will help you navigate international money transfers with ease. So let's get started. So first, open any browser you want to use, like for example, Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any available browser you can use. Like mine is Brave browser. And as you can see on the screen, while in our browser, click the URL section. While in the URL section, type wise.com. And the Wise website, make sure that you have an account on Wise first. If you don't have an account yet, just create one. Once you're all set, log into your account in Wise. And as you can see, mine is already created and I'm already logged in. After you log into your account, scroll down until you find a send button. After you find a send button, click the send button. Now, this is where you can start a process of sending money to other countries. While we are here, choose the country you want to send. Since you want to send from, click the country in the You Send Exactly section. After that, choose a country by scrolling down, or you can type your country, like for example, since you are in, type it. If the country you are from appears, click it. Now choose a recipient by clicking the country in the Recipients Get section. Now choose a country by scrolling down, or you can type the country of the recipient. Since your recipient is in, type it. If the country you search for appears, click it. Now choose a payment method or option. To do that, click the Change button in the Paying With section to choose a payment method, like as you can see on the screen. Now after you choose a payment method, click the Continue button at the bottom of the screen. Now choose a recipient. Since we are here to send by manual, choose Enter Bank Details and click it. If they ask who's your recipient, click Someone Else. Now you just have to enter their account details. As you can see, there are some section of details that are optional, so it's up to you if you want to fill up those optionals or not. After you fill up their account details, click Confirm at the bottom of the screen. After clicking the Confirm button, the next step is easy to do. You just have to review the transaction before confirming it. After that, you just have to pay to complete the transaction. And there you go. Transferring money from USA to Philippines using Wise is a straightforward and cost-effective. By following the steps, you can ensure a smooth and efficient transaction process. Remember to keep your account information secure and regularly check for best exchange rates to maximize your transfers.